Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics Classes. Today we are going to continue from the data science. The chapter is statistics. The next topic is central tendencies. Here, usually we all want some notion of where our data is centered. Most commonly, we will use the mean or average, which is just the sum of the data divided by its count. If you see here, the mean, median, mode formula helps us to find the measures of central tendency. Let us see about mean, which is the just sum of the data divided by its count. If you see the Python code here, we are going to define mean excess with the least float. The output is float. So, the output is float. Here, we are going to return sum of excess by ls. So, we are going to get the mean return value. So, we are going to get the mean of number of friends. In previous topic, describing a data set, there we saw number of friends list. If you observe there, from 100.0 to 1. If you observe there, we have seen that topic in the previous topic. If you observe that one, here we are going to calculate for the mean of friends. The mean of friends is 7.333. This is the mean value for number of friends. If you have two data points, the mean is simply the point halfway between them. As you add two more points, the mean shifts around, but it always depends on the value of every point. For example, if you have 10 data points and you increase the value of any of them by 1, you increase mean by 0.1. Yes, here, what is mean? Mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. It actually represents the average of the given collection of data. It is applicable for both continuous and discrete data. And mean is equal to the sum of all the values in the collection of data divided by total number of values. Suppose if you have n values in a set of data, namely x1, x2, x3, so on, xn, then the mean of data is given by, let us see an example here, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 by 4. What is the thing? 100 by 4, that is equals to 25. The mean of this 10, 20, 30, 40 is 25. How you will get 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 is 100. So, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 n. So, what is the value of this one? 100 by 4. So, the output is mean is 25. What is the median? And the median, which is the middlemost value or the average of the two middlemost values, are going to be calculated. If it is odd data points, we will get the middlemost value. If the data points are even, we will get the two middlemost values. For instance, if you have 5 data points in a sorted vector x, then the median is x of 5 by 2 or x of 2. If the data points from 5 to 6 data points, we want the average of x's. If you see here, what is the median? Median represents the middle value of the data set of the data when arranged in a particular order. What does it mean? Means if the data is 2, 4, 3, 1. Is the values are in order? No. So, what we want to do? Firstly, you must arrange the values in an order 1, 2, 3, 4. Then only you can calculate the median. So, the given data of the data collection is arranged in ascending or descending order. Then the following method is applied. If the data is odd, the median is n plus 1 by 2. If the median is even, n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1. Let us see here, small example. 1 plus, here it is a list of data items, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The median is 3. The median is 3. How we will get here the odd data points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the n value? N value is equals to 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So the output is 3. We got the median as 3. Here, if the values are even, what does it mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to calculate the median. 3 plus 4 by 2. What is the value? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is equals to, what is the value? 7 by 2, that is equals to 3.5. Is it clear? Next one. For example, if you make the largest point larger, the middle points remain unchanged, which means does the median. Here, let us see about the different functions for even and odd cases and also combining both even and odd cases. Let us see this Python code here. This is a private function because underscore indicate this private function as their intended. Here we are going to calculate the median function, median of odd. What does it mean? If you observe, median is calculated by sorted excess of len of excess. Here we are giving the list. Excess contains list of float values. So by 2, we are going to return the value. Here, this is about odd and this is about even. Even is also containing the float value and the output will be written in the float. So first we have to sort the value. Then we are going to calculate the median value. High midpoint is equals to len of excess by 2. We are going to calculate this point. Next, asset is a keyword is used when debugging the code. The asset keyword lets you test if your condition is or your code returns true. If not, the program will arise an assertion error. If you see here in this example, 9 plus, first it has to be rotated. Sorry, it has to be sorted. 1, 2, 9, 10. That is equals to, what does it mean? 2 plus 9. So 11 by 2. 11 by 2. That is the median value. Here, if you look at the mode, our most common values, we are going to calculate the mode. Mode contains a list of floating data point, float data point. It returns a list. There might be more than one mode. Here we are going to use counter. Counts is equals to counter of x. We are going to calculate the maximum count, that is equals to maximum of counts dot value. Next one, we are going to return the how many counts items in our list. So here we are going to use the condition if count double equals to maximum count. What is the count of that one asset? a set mode of number of friends. What the number of friends contains? If you see here, number of friends is equals to, there is a list of data points. Here, if we observe, we are going to calculate the mode of number of friends. Here, if you see 1 to 1, how many times? 1 is with 22 times, and also 6 also with 22 times, and other values are not more than 22. So the mode is, if you observe here, mode is 1, 6. So 22, 1, 22, 6. These two are mode of the given set of data. Please subscribe my channel Mary Madam Classes. Click on the bell symbol. You will get all my videos in the form of notification. So please subscribe my channel. Next video we are going to continue. Until then, take care. Bye.